It's usually really pretty, but they're working on it. Oh, you see, these are the spots you lose your phone. Through these holes.
I'm so freaked out.
We've already down one phone this year. Mine is half broken too and cracked, but one must continue to journey. Got about 500-600 journeys down this year. Excuse me, in the last 5 years. It's like 100 journeys a year. Got to journey and have joy and memories. They're the most important things on the planet, for sure. Western Mass. It's all farmland and it's beautiful. Most people would think, you know, it's all city, but it's not. It's really neat. Bridge Committee, 1890. It's Ralph Hawkins. I suppose all this weird stuff over here is probably it. I don't remember. I haven't been here long enough.